Hi guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see Snapchat search history, right? So basically, you have to just go to the Snapchat mobile application here, just give all the required permission, and after that, you have to click on the profile icon. So just click on your profile icon and again click on the top right side corner, the setting icon, and scroll a little bit down, and here on the bottom you will see my data. So just click on your my data and it will load for very few seconds. So I will just refresh it out once again, and here basically you have to just go to the my data, and here you can see all the data available in your app, and you can see this type kind of data you will able to download it, and you can see data available for download, which is the tick mark, right? So basically you can see, and the story history is also, or this Snapchat story history is also there. So basically you have enter your email address here, and after that you have to confirm your email address, and after that you can see that you have to select your date range from which date you want to add it, and after that you have to click on submit. So this is pretty easy guys. If you found this video very interesting, and make sure that you will get your data over your email address, so you have to download it, and that's it. So make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.